Hey everyone, welcome back to Master Crafts. I'm super pumped to be back today with another great design, the Origami Dinosaur. Now let's get right into folding.
So I'll be using a square piece of paper. Feel free to use whatever type of paper you like. And what we're going to be doing is creating an X in the middle as well as a plus. So to take the top left corner, fold it down to the bottom right, and then crease. I'm using a card in this case to crease. Feel free to use whatever type of creasing tool you like. Open up, and now take the top right corner, bring it down to the bottom left. Line up the edges, and then crease. Open up, flip over, and now we'll take the top edge, bring it down to the bottom, then take the left side and fold it over to the right. Open up, now take the left side, fold it over to the right, and then crease. Open up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to flip it over and just push to the center, and then crease, and you should get a diamond. Now what we're going to do is take this left corner and right corner and fold it to the center, lining up with the center edge. And crease. Same thing, take the right corner, fold it to the center, crease, flip over, take the left corner, fold it to the center, take the right corner, fold it to the center, and now just fold this over along this line. Then crease, open up the back as well. And now we're just going to lift open this first flap along this line, lift it open, and gently push these left sides in along the crease we just made. And then fold over. Crease. Flip it over. Open up. Tuck in these corners. And then crease. Same thing, tucking in this corner. And then creasing. Fold down, fold down, and then crease. Now you should have something like this. Now what we're going to do is open this first flap up and then rotate it to the left. So on the back you should have something like this. Flip it over. And now, on the side where we only have one flap, all we're going to do is fold up along this line. crease, open up. Now fold down, matching this line. Open up. And now we're just going to push in and then crease. And slowly fold backward and then crease. Now you should have something like this. Now what we're going to do is take this top corner and we're going to fold the head portion. So fold it down and then crease, flip it over, fold again along this line we just made, open up, and now open up the flap and then fold forward and then push inside and then crease. Flatten it out. You should have something like this. Now what we're going to do is flip it over and we're going to tuck in this portion. So fold this corner to the center point right here. And then we'll take this corner and fold halfway down. So it looks something like this. Open up. I'm going to open up the head region and fold down along the line we just made. So we tuck it in. And now we're going to fold up. And pull out, so we have something like this. Now what we're going to do is fold the legs. So we're going to take this corner right here, this first flap, fold down at an angle, flip it over, fold down this flap at an angle, making sure both match. And now what we're going to do is take this flap and fold backward so it goes to face the tail. Same thing, we'll fold backward facing the tail and try to make both of them match, going the same way and same height or length. And now what we're going to do is fold again, but this time we'll fold back so that it goes to the front. And then crease. Same thing on the other side. What we're going to do is fold forward and then crease. And now you have the leg portion done. Now what we're going to do is, you notice this corner right here, we're just going to push down a little, push it down, and then crease. Try to make sure you get this little corner popping out a little. These will become the arms. And it should look like that. And now we'll work on the tail portion. So open up. Now take this top corner, fold it back, so it forms a line, and then crease. Now fold forward, and we'll do this one more time. Fold back, and then fold forward, and now simply fold in half, something like this. You can always adjust it if you feel some portion doesn't fit right. We're just going to pull it out a little, or make it go up, down. And once you're happy with it, for our final step, we're going to open it up again and take this corner and fold it inside of it, just slightly tucking it into the corner. Do the same thing. Take this corner, fold in a little, then fold over, and there you have it, your finished Origami Dinosaur.